Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
This is Kamalu. I'm the Rivers State Commissioner for Finance.
Okay. So I'd like to know exactly why you're in court today and how it turned out.
Well, first, we are in court because of the activities of the federal government and some of our agencies. You will recall that there has been an issue between Rivers and Imo States in respect of the Akri and Mbede oil wells and fields. And it was resolved as an interim measure that the proceeds from these oil fields be shared 50-50 between Rivers State and Imo State. And I think this measure was in place until some time in 2019. Imo State sought to overturn this process. And Rivers State disagreed. We went to court. The Honorable Justice Taiwo issued an order and even gave Rivers State judgment against the federal government, the Revenue Mobilisation and Fiscal Commission, and other agencies of the federal government, directing that the 50-50 sharing arrangement utilized as an interim measure in respect of the proceeds from those fees be maintained. Of course, I believe that the agencies of the federal government, including Imo State government, have been doing everything possible to upturn these developments, despite the fact that they are aware that it's a valid judgment of the court and it should be obeyed. So last year, Rivers State government filed a suit at the Supreme Court against the federal government, including her agencies, and the Imo State government. And as I speak today, Imo State has not filed a defense. But not having filed a defense, they have gone behind with support and collaboration from the National Boundary Commission and other agencies of the federal government, particularly the Revenue Mobilisation Allocation and Fiscal Commission, and offices of the Accountant General of the Federation and others, purporting to have done a demarcation and claiming to have awarded those fields to Imo State. So we disagreed and came to the Supreme Court because our suit is here. The proceedings are before the court, and we brought an ex-parte application asking the court to disapprove of that practice by Imo State government. And happily today, the court has upheld the rule of law. The court has directed that the Attorney General of the Federation and the agencies of the federal government, including the Revenue Mobilisation and Fiscal Commission, the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation, and the Fiscal Revenue Mobilisation Allocation and Fiscal Commission, should abstain from doing anything in respect of the matter that is before the court, pending the determination of the motion on notice, which has been fixed for the 21st of September 2021.
So that is why. In the interim, Rivers will be okay with the 50-50?
In the interim, what we are saying is that the court has said that the purported claim of demarcation and having ceded those wells to Imo State should not be acted upon, and so has directed that the status quo be maintained pending when the substantive application, which, like I said, has been fixed for the 21st of September 2021, is had and determined. But like I said before, since the suit was filed, Imo State has not filed a defense, even up till now. So that's why we are pleased that the Supreme Court has upheld the rule of law. Thank you so much. Isaac Kamalu, Rivers State Commissioner for Finance. Thank you.